my cars are parked, I see Vinayagar coming in. My dog from Valpara is trying to apprehend him. Yes, I'm shining the light from my front door, and there he is. You can see this giant coming home. He is in must, you can see. I would say Chinnathambi and Vinayagar were part of our classic village. In fact, they are members of our association because they used to visit us so often. I have seen Vinayagar in must when he's about 10 feet away. This is one evening we got a visitation, and I'm just fast forwarding it. My wife and myself heard the noise and we are wondering what's happening, and this is one view of it. And as my cars are parked, I see a Vinayagar coming in. My dog from Valpara is trying to apprehend him. Yes, I'm shining the light from my front door, and there he is. You can see this giant coming home. He is in must, you can see. He just goes past without anything. He comes and says a hi by placing his trunk near my footmat, and he walks away. He didn't damage my gate. He walked down, ate a little bit of mint. I think he stamped on my mint plantation, found his own way out, and he went away peacefully. This was quite often happening in our house. I have hundreds of videos of this guy coming in our colony, walking here, there, and there was no trouble whatsoever with these elephants. So it was a very, very nice and happy relationship we had, but the forest department had to do what they had to do. So they spirited them away. The Coimbatore we knew was a beautiful place in the sense that, say, beginning of February we'll be using blankets, end of February AC, March is bad, April we have our showers, and that's it. But everything has changed with our losing our trees on Avinashi Road and Metupalayam Road and Pollachi Road. The climate has become more hotter. So my advice is reach for the stars. You might not go up to them, but you will come somewhere in between, and that would be magic as per contemporary standards.